Hey, this is Will Fant from Money5000.com. I want to invite you to a brand new free 10-day training series on how to start an online business and earn a commission selling other people's products as an affiliate. My goal over the next 10 days is to show you from the beginning, step by step, how to become an affiliate, how to set up your affiliate accounts, and where to find products to sell online and earn a commission. I'm going to guide you through this entire process and teach you how to set up your own Money5000 Automated Traffic Machine using a blueprint like this. We're going to go over the tools and programs that you will need to create this M5K system. You're going to learn how to find prospects and visitors and send them to your offer, make a sale, and earn a commission all on autopilot. I'm going to show you how to drive internet traffic and prospects to your offer using different advertising techniques, paid and free. You're going to learn how to set up your landing pages, your bridge page, your sales page for any product or service. You're going to learn about autoresponders and why you need an autoresponder and how to set it up to deliver emails to your prospects and your customers. We're going to spend a lot of time talking about the importance of tracking your visitors and prospects' actions using split testing and fine-tuning your system to maximize your return on investment and your profits. After completing this 10-day training series, and after we've set up all your tools and the M5K system is in place, as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to 10x your results with multiple streams of income. I know at first glance this schematic or this blueprint may look overwhelming, so I want to break it down for you and show you the process in the next 10 days. To get this free training, I provided a link below this video. Simply click on the link to get started. I look forward to sharing this information with you, and I'll see you in the next video.